Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be discussing the Xbox Series S and why it's the perfect console for casual gamers. I'll be sharing some reasons as to why you should own one in 2023. Perhaps the biggest selling point of the Series S is availability and price. Unlike the Series X or PS5, which are harder to come by and have a higher price tag, the Series S can be easily found in stores. Priced at around $299, this console is the most affordable option for next-gen gaming on the market. If you're on a budget but still want a console that can keep up with the latest games, the Series S is definitely worth considering. And if you're able to purchase one second-hand, you can get an even better deal. And while it may not have all the bells and whistles of the Series X or PS5, the Series S is still a powerful console that can handle any game you throw at it. The gaming industry has undergone a shift towards digital gaming, and the benefits are becoming clearer. I believe we're heading towards a time where digital consoles may become the future norm. You can easily purchase and download games directly to your Series S without ever having to leave your home. However, one downside of going digital is that it eliminates the option of buying cheaper second-hand games or trading with friends, as well as the ability to sell your used games. I used to enjoy collecting physical media in the past, and I still own some of those discs to this day. However, nowadays I mostly play just a few games, all of which can be saved on my Series S. And if I ever wanted to switch things up, I can simply delete a game knowing that I can always reinstall it later. The Game Pass is a subscription-based service that gives you access to a large library of games for a monthly fee, including the latest Microsoft game releases on the day of launch. It really is a good option for casual gamers who want access to a wide variety of games without having to purchase them. I opted for a Game Pass Ultimate subscription that offers Xbox Live Gold, EA Play, and allows me to play on PC or access games from the cloud. With games such as Halo Infinite, Forza, Minecraft Legends, and Redfall already available, there is certainly a wide variety of options. The Series S comes with a built-in SSD that offers fast load times. Due to the space required for the operating system, you will be left with around 360 GB of storage space. For a casual gamer like myself, this is not a major issue, as I can store 4 to 5 games without any problems. If you want to try out a different game, you can easily delete the one you're not playing, but for the more serious gamer, it may be necessary to purchase additional storage space. Perhaps my favorite thing about the Series S is how quiet it is. It does an excellent job of keeping itself cool, and I have yet to hear the fans blow even while playing more demanding games. Another cool feature is Quick Resume, which allows for seamless and quick transitions between games. Players can leave a game at any time and return to it later exactly where they left off, without having to wait for the game to reload again. In my opinion, the Series S is the best looking next-gen console on the market. The console's modern design and small form factor make it a great fit for any setup. When it comes to the controller, the only downside for me is that it still uses replaceable batteries, but you can buy a charge kit and fix that problem. In terms of comfort, the controller is a clear improvement over its predecessors. The controller sits comfortably in the hands and has a textured grip on the back for added comfort and control. Additionally, the share button is a useful feature that allows you for easy capturing and sharing of screenshots and video clips with friends. Personally, I believe that the Series S is still the smartest entry point to next-gen gaming in 2023. It works well and comes with all the features you need for a great gaming experience. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below about whether or not you agree that the Series S is the best next-gen option currently available. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.